Welcome to the Trader's Corner. In today's video, we'll be highlighting the companies that are making headlines prior to the opening bell today. First up, regional bank First Republic Bank bombed Monday after it revealed that their deposits had declined 40% to $104.5 billion in the first quarter. The news is worse than what Wall Street was expecting. The stock was down 22%, with a plunge of 86.6% so far this year. Analyst Janney downgraded the stock to sell from neutral and lowered its price target to $8 from $10, anticipating a 50% stagnation from Monday's close. Next up is UPS, the shipping giant whose quarterly results unfortunately missed analyst expectations. With an adjusted $2.20 per share on revenue of $22.93 billion, the company was shy of the $2.21 per share on $23.01 billion in revenue predicted. At the same time, 3M is advancing this morning. 3M reported $1.97 in earnings per share, beating analyst forecasts of $1.58. The Minnesota-based company announced plans to cut 6,000 positions due to their effort in prioritizing areas of climate technology, semiconductors, automotive electrification, and home improvement. McDonald's is also in the news pre-market today after they beat Wall Street's expectations for the first quarter, serving up $2.63 in adjusted earnings per share on $5.9 billion in revenue, both of which are above the expectations of $2.33 in per share earnings on $5.59 billion in revenue. General Motors shares gained 2.1% after General Motors raised its key guidance for 2023 and reported first quarter earnings that exceeded Wall Street's prediction. The company reported $39.99 billion in revenue, higher than analysts had expected. JetBlue's stock is also up more than 2.3% as the airline forecasts a solidly profitable second quarter due to increasing travel demand. For the first quarter, JetBlue reported a 34-cent loss, much better than the 39 cents expected per Refinitiv. Packaging Corp of America shares, however, fell 6.8% after they reported an adjusted profit per share of $2.20, which was below a street account forecast of $2.27 per share. Novartis shares rose more than 3%, due to the pharmaceutical company raising its full-year earnings outlook as they expect sales to grow in the mid-single digits. Novartis reported earnings per share of $1.71 on $12.95 billion in revenue. The beverage and snacks giant PepsiCo saw its shares climb 1.6% pre-market after they posted earnings and revenues that exceeded predictions from Wall Street. The company reported first quarter revenue totaling $17.85 billion and earnings of $1.50 per share, which were higher than the $17.22 billion and $1.39 per share consensus estimates, respectively. That's all the news from today, so until next time, please remember to trade carefully and be mindful of the market's predictability.